The mysterious Mercury. Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, is a world of extremes. It races around the Sun at 107,000 miles per hour, 172,000 kilometers per hour, the fastest planet in our solar system. But did you know Mercury has a tail like a comet? Its thin atmosphere constantly sheds particles, creating a ghostly glowing tail visible in ultraviolet light. But how did Mercury become this scorched survivor? Let's uncover its violent history. Billions of years ago, Mercury was a molten inferno, covered in lava lakes that made it look like a newborn hellscape. As it cooled, the entire planet shrank, creating enormous scarps, cliffs that stretch for hundreds of miles. This shrinking still happens today, making Mercury one of the most geologically active planets. Unlike Earth, Mercury has no thick atmosphere to protect it from space rocks. Over time, massive asteroid impacts created giant craters, including the colossal 1,500-kilometer-wide Scorched Basin, one of the biggest impact sites in the solar system. Shock waves from this impact rippled across the planet, forming cracks on the opposite side. Some scientists even call it Mercury's cosmic tattoo. Despite its small size, Mercury has a magnetic field, something we wouldn't expect from a dying planet. This suggests that its core is still partially molten. Could this mean Mercury has a more complex interior than we thought? What secrets is it hiding? You might think Mercury, being so close to the Sun, would be a planet of pure fire. But there's ice on Mercury, deep inside craters near its poles, where sunlight never reaches. Scientists found frozen water. Could this bizarre ice hold clues about ancient comets and asteroids that brought water to Earth? Even though Mercury seems lifeless, future missions like Bepi Colombo are on their way to uncover its secrets. Could Mercury's strange geology help us understand how planets evolve? And could this tiny world hold clues about other extreme planets in distant solar systems? Mercury is a planet of survival, mystery, and extremes. Despite its brutal conditions, it still holds surprises: ice, a magnetic field, and an ever-changing surface. What else could we discover about this bizarre world? And how does its evolution compare to the rest of the solar system? Stay tuned as we explore the next planet, Venus.